So, welcome back, buddy. So, what we discussed earlier was proactive, reactive. Some of the example and key concept has been discussed here. So, we'll close on that and then we'll discuss SMK, all three questions. And then we'll start with our strategic intent. So, first of all, I'm on the page, same page 3. Thus, strategy is partly and proactive, deliberate and proactive, standing as the product of management's analysis and strategic thinking about the company's situation and its conclusion about how to position the company in marketplace and tackle the task of competing for buyers patronage. Basically they are saying the strategy is proactive because it is always a deliberate one and always it is based on management analysis and strategic thinking, because how company situation should be there, how market should be there, it is based on that only. However, not every strategic move is a result of proactive planning and deliberate management design. Things happens that cannot be fully anticipated or planned for. When market and competitive conditions take an unexpected turn, market and competitive conditions take unexpected turns, or some aspects of company strategy hits a stone wall, some kind of strategic reaction or adjustment is required. Hence, partially, a company strategy is always developed as a reasoned response to unforeseen development in business environment as well as situation within the firm. What they've explained in those two paragraphs is basically what is a proactive and what is a reactive. Okay, again, you are not required to write this thing in examination. Examination ke already I told you this is the above paragraph should be written. This is only for understanding some keywords, some MCQ or something like that. It may come across this. So it's just a reading content as such. Okay, so again, combined concept. Crafting a strategy thus involves stitching together proactive intended strategy based on prior successful experience and then adapting pieces of successful reactions as circumstances surrounding the company situation change or better options emerge. A reactive adaptive strategy. So your strategy should be okay, stitching together. What should be stitched together? Okay, proactive and reactive. Okay, next read the example. They have given the tomato ketchup example. Read that example. Is this a strategy? Yes. So this is the tomato ketchup. If you read the example, which strategy it is? Proactive or reactive? Proactive. Okay. Suppose one fine day, doctor suggests, okay, this tomato ketchup should be not used unless it is without sugar. And people, everybody understood this and they stopped buying tomato ketchups. And because of that, tomato ketchup company converted into less sugar or sugar-free tomato ketchup. This will be reactive. Now, I hope this concretely clear. Huh? When I say proactive and reactive. So, proactive and reactive. Don't always say, sir, a change in environment, therefore, I prepared something like that. It's not proactive and reactive. It depends on how or when the reaction has been taken place. Right now, I understood. Okay, so every people is going with wheat and other things. They are avoiding maida. Maida. What is called maida? A very smaller version of wheat. Okay, everybody is avoiding maida, and therefore people are preferring gehu, wheat. So I started a bread of wheat bread. Okay, it's not because people stop buying breads, but I came to know that people are becoming more aware about maida, and I started the wheat bread. This is called a concept of proactive or reactive. Proactive. And if people stop buying it, and automatically because of that I need to manufacture that wheat bread, then it is reactive. Pakka clear? Everyone? Okay. You will study RTP, MTP before examination. This is with strategic approach. Proactive or reactive? Proactive. Everybody clear? Okay. After that, strategic management importance and limitations. Okay, so let's close. How many questions are there in strategic management? Strategic management. Strategic management. 3 questions. What are the 3 questions? Objective, benefits, limitations. Let's close on it. Okay, first of all, okay, everybody is Everybody need to remember this one. Huh? This R. This is remember. Remember definition. Ratify. Okay. The strategic management definition. The last, the process does not end. It keeps going on in which manner? Cyclic manner. Cyclic manner. It's continue word. Huh? It's not on next line. It is continue, but printed on next line. So let's close the first question. The overall objective of SM are twofold. First, to create CA, okay, something unique and valued by customer, so that company can outperform the competitors in all aspects of organization performance. Help me out. Okay, something which is unique and valued by customer. What it is called? Which is unique and valued by customer. It is called CC. CC, core competency. Core competency and competency, there is different. If everybody is having that feature, this is called competency. But I am doing this. No other person can do core competency. And I told you, can core competency be copied? Yes. But I should ensure, if he copy my product, I should ensure I should be on the next version, which you will be discussing on Monday and Tuesday. So that will be more important concept, core competency, how to build the core competency. So core competency, uniqueness, valued by customer. And to guide the company successfully through all the changes in environment. That is to react in the which manner? Right manner. So how many objective SM are there? 2 points very clear, buddy. This has not been came in examination, nor it is LDR. It is only one question to revise. MCQ, remember the word. Okay, MCQ can be there. MCQ can be in any form. Just remember the concept. After that, okay, originally called as this one concept has been discussed here. Originally called business policy. Originally called business policy. Originally called business policy. Strategic management emphasize the monitoring and evaluation of external opportunities and threats in the light of company's strength and weakness, and designing strategies for the survival and growth of the company. So what this particular paragraph will, you're not required to remember, but I want one concluding answer. SM earlier was called as, there was no concept of SM. Earlier the term was business policy. Nowadays we are using the term SM. So what is the traditional name of SM? Okay, it's MCQ. Traditional name of SM, business policy. The next question is importance or benefits of SM. How many benefits of SM are there? 7. What are the 7 benefits of SM? First, it provides direction. It is proactive. It provides framework. Okay, it shape the future. Shape the future opportunity threats. Okay, it create wall. Corporate defense mechanism for mistake and pitfalls. It longevity, and most important, CC and CA. CC, core competency, and CA, competitive advantage. Okay. Before that, 2 conceptual paragraph has been given. Read that. Close that. Don't remember, but understand. Formulation of strategies and their implementation have become essential for all organizations for their survival and growth in the present turbulent business environment. Turbulent, changing environment. Survival of the fittest, as propagated by Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin is one person who propagated, or the propaganda was survival of the fittest. The principle of for all organization, where fittest are not the largest or strongest organization, but the fittest are those who can change and adapt successfully to the changing in. So when I say survival of the fittest, who is the fittest? Large organization or strongest organization? No, it is the organization which, one of the example who did not survive even if it was strongest, Nokia. Kodak is also a best example, which was the strongest company, strongest for camera. Okay, because mobile started a camera in it, they should have diversified into mobile business rather than keeping themselves in camera business. But they didn't diversify. They thought, what will happen? People are using mobile, but the camera need to be taken as camera. Earlier, you are aware how the camera photos were there? The roll used to come, 30 photos will be there. The role would be there. Okay, help me out. Nowadays, role are there or it is stored on some disk or that what we tell as card SD card. Okay, they didn't change into that, and therefore the by Kodak failed. Sony, Samsung, they entered into camera business with a digicams. Kodak was till on traditional camera. Ultimately failed. Now they have changed. They have tried to cope up. They do have a mic systems. They do have a camera, but people are not preferring Kodak. They are preferring Sony. Okay, if you are aware, camera nowadays, if camera and other things are preferred, okay, who are used for shooting and other things, okay, it is Sony, it is Canon. Canon, had you heard about Canon? These are the cameras. Earlier it was only one camera. Kodak. Didn't survive. Okay, survival of fittest. Business follow the war principle. Okay, either win or lose. There is rarely a situation, win-win situation. There is rarely a situation. Okay, many times people will be seeing, you will come across some people who will say you, don't worry, it is a win-win situation for you and me. It's never. It's a war. If somebody wins, somebody lose. There is no win-win situation. There is rarely a win-win situation. After becoming a CA, many people will tell you always have a balanced life, professional and personal, be a balanced approach, never ever. It will be either professional or it will be personal. It cannot be both. Rarely people will have balanced approach. Either you will be more successful in personal life, less successful in professional life. If you will be more successful in professional life, less successful in personal life. There is rarely a balanced approach. It's a war concept. Either you win or you lose. You win one war, you lose another war. That's a simple point. So in real life, you may answer question, then what should we do, sir? Simple point. After becoming a CA, first agenda is to get success as soon as possible. In which life? Professional life. And once you get a success, now you need to limit the success to the extent. Success is like a sky. There is no limitation. Once you limit a success to the extent, I achieved this one, then you can focus on which life? Personal. This is how the balanced approach can be there. But that's a rare situation. So they also say this thing only, that in company, if you're saying, okay, you and competitor, oh no, he's having share, okay, I'm also having share, okay, we are satisfied. No, he's winning, I'm losing. That's clear. It's not you are with a small share sitting beside and you are happy. Yesterday also I showed the diagram. If you remember, the circle was there and Blackwater was at 14%. Should he be satisfied on 14%? Why? If he is satisfied with 14%, okay, the Himalaya will try to capture that 14% if he does nothing. So he need to ensure he should get more percentage. You should not be satisfied. Only small number of cases win-win situation arises. Hence, each organization has to build its competitive advantage over competitors in the business warfare in order to win. This can be done only by following the process of strategic management, strategic analysis, formulation, implementation, evaluation, and control of strategies. I hope this point is very clear. Nothing to be ratified, nothing, the only discussion. I hope concept is clear. The one word, one concept which you need to take with you is always survival of, and who is the fittest? Larger or strong? Who adapt to the changes. And again, this matters, again, this linked with a culture. If culture is there to adapt the changes, will change. If culture is not there to adapt the change, will not change. That's culture ka matter. The major benefits of SM are there. Again, your main question are. And this is LDR also. LDR full form. So means while you are reading and revising, okay, this need to be almost complete answer should be tried to ratify. Try to ratify. Even it may happen with integrated case studies. It's okay. Integrated case study is okay. Hello. Integrated case study is okay. But at the same time, you need to remember all 7 points as it is. First point. The strategic management gives a direction to the company to move ahead. It helps to define two things towards goals and mission. So remember, the direction, I told you direction, vision, mission, goals and objectives. So direction, remember the first word. Second, SM helps organization to be proactive instead of in shaping its future. Organization are able to analyze and take action instead of being mere spectators. Just watching the environment to change and you are just watching it out. You are not doing anything. It's not like that. You are already analyzing, starting only how environment will react. And based on environment, I am launching a new product. I hope this point is clear, nobody? SM provides framework for all major decisions of an enterprise, such as decisions on businesses, keywords, products, markets, manufacture facilities, investments, and organization structure. What is an organizational structure? We'll discuss today, end of the day, or tomorrow morning. But organizational structure is also a major decision-making process. So help me out. Okay, strategic management provides framework. Means it helps only in one area or multiple areas? Multiple areas. What are the multiple areas to be remembered? Business can be there, products can be there, markets can be there. 3 points is very easy. 2 more points you can remember. One is manufacturing facilities, investments, and one is organization structure, which you will remember only after tomorrow. Matlab evening or tomorrow. What is an organization structure? We'll discuss it out. But I hope 3 points clear. Acha, what I am asking is not whether you are able to recall or not. That is already seen in you. I am asking whether you understood the line now. Whether you are understanding complete line. SM seeks to prepare the organization to face the and act as a pathfinder to various business opportunities. Okay, so help me out. Business opportunity you can do only after analyzing. Business opportunity you can only identify it only after analyzing. Which environment? External environment. So therefore it is face the future. I hope everybody clear. Facing the future. Opportunity. Opportunity. Link. Remember the word. Face the future. Opportunity. Strategic management serves as wall. What is wall? Corporate defense mechanism against mistakes and pitfalls. It helps organization to avoid costly mistakes in product, market choices, and investments. How it avoids? Reason simple. It is proactive. It says do the analysis first. After that, take a strategy. Don't start directly manufacturing a product. First think whether that product is needed of the market or not. If that product is required by market, manufacture. If it is not required, don't manufacture. My friends, yes or no? Okay. Strategic management helps to enhance what? Longevity of the business. With the state of competition and dynamic environment, it may be challenging for organization to survive in the long run. So help me out. How SM helps you to survive in long run? Yeah, yesterday I told you what was the UFU of it? Reactive. Whenever there is a change in environment, SM tells you to adapt. Whenever a change in environment, SM tells you to adapt. Yes or no? Do you want only a newsreader? Only news. This is SM. SM have advantages. So these are the advantages. We have done the advantages. Okay, now focus on limitation. Do you want like this? So it is a two-way communication. Okay, for you, okay, for me, you are the motivation. Okay, if you are not interacting, my motivation is down and down and down and down. Okay, I hope you understood or not. So longevity, what it represents? Reactive. It helps in reacting. Okay, very clearly I'm telling you. You will not imagine what questions are expected. Tomorrow onwards, you will see what questions are expected by ICA. It is a blunder. Okay, even this SM ka benefits is done. Okay, I will show you one question. SM helps the organization to develop certain CC and CA competitive that facilitate assets in fight for survival and growth. So I hope this point with elaborated version is clear. Okay, limitations of SM. The presence of SM cannot be counter all hindrance and always achieve success. Therefore, limitations are also there. First limitation, buddy. Environment is highly complex and turbulent. It is difficult to understand the complex environment and exactly pinpoint how it will shape in the future. Difficult to understand complex environment and exactly pinpoint how it will shape in future. The organization estimate about the future shape may awfully go wrong and jeopardize all strategic plans. Everything can go wrong. You have planned for it. You have planned for government will be doing this. You plan for every element. You plan that customer will react like this. Okay, it may happen. It may go awfully wrong. Awfully means everything. Everything can be upside down also because environment will not react according to you. Environment will react. You need to react according to it. The environment affects the organization to deal with suppliers, customers, governments, and other external factors. 4 words. What are the 4 words? Supplier, customers, government, and okay. It's a second day, first chapter. Okay, few words are there. Okay, once we start with chapter 3, chapter 2, these words will come to you because in chapter 2 and chapter 3 we always do analysis of environment. I hope you remember chapter 2 and chapter 3 was environment analysis. So while doing that, keywords will come to you and you will remember automatically. Thus, relying on business strategy blindly could absolutely go wrong if environment is turbulent. Read the example. It's an example. Huh? Is example clear, buddy? This example I've discussed with you. EV markets. So when the EV was launched, the plan was that everybody will adapt. What is the problem? Why everybody is not able to adapt? Infrastructure, charging stations, and other things. Acha, two-wheeler. I'm not sure about Udupi. Matlab, I've not roam around here and there. Last time also, it was 6-7 days and complete day I was occupied. So basically, had you seen that two-wheelers have been shifted towards EV, but four-wheelers completely have been shifted. Still, four-wheelers people are purchasing petrol car and diesel car. Why? Why I also purchasing, even if I am purchasing a car right now, if you give me a choice, I will go with petrol. I will not go with diesel also. Why not diesel? Because diesel is almost into edge of banning. Diesel car will be almost by 2030, it will be prohibited completely. Diesel cars, huh? Diesel cars, almost, even if it is a Fortuner and other things. 2030, diesel limitation will be there because of pollution and other things. Okay, I myself having a Fortuner and other things, I'm already aware. So diesel car. Okay, so by 2030, petrol will not be banned. Petrol is a bare minimum unless until completely EV shift is not done. And do you think in India EV shift is very easy? Why? Charging station is one issue, but what is the other issue? Even if we put a charging station everywhere, the problem is that our country is basically with dust and other things continuously, which is having an impact on the charging stations. Charging stations also have an impact because of heat and other things. A dramatic heat. I've seen my one of the car. I sold it out. I told you I sold it out at 50% cost. 50%. 1 year. Next one. Sold next year. I was frustrated. 2 times. I went from Pune to Nasik. In between, I put on charging. Automatically, after, because it was heat during a summer last year, May 24. Summer was there. Okay, when I was putting on charging, it requires 1 hour charging. Okay, after 15 minutes, automatically charging going stop. Again, I need to put out the charging point, and again I need to put that charging station there, and again I need to put back to charging 15 minutes. This happened 3 times. I asked that service center. He told because of heat, charging station become overheat, so it can burst and other things. So automatically charging stops. How it happens in our mobile batteries? If you keep mobile battery continuous on charging, after a certain percentage, it automatically stops. So here it automatically stops after 15 minutes, not after a certain percentage. Imagine I want to charge 80%, I need to charge 4 times. And after 3rd time, in Nexon, charging was put na, I was removing, it was not removed only. I was not able to remove the charging station. I called that guy, oh Tata, uh, uh, it's blocked. I'm not able to remove. He says, sir, I will send you a video. See that and remove. I was frustrated. मैं बोला Tata, what you are doing, buddy? Okay, then he send me the video. He sent me the video. I watched the video. Okay, it was going down. Okay, above the tire, there is one clip. I need to pick that clip. I went down because me and my daughter were traveling. We were going on in-laws places. My wife and my son was there only. So me and my daughter was going. I went down. Okay, then I was looking for a clip. Clip in Imilra. I'm not able to get a clip only. Where is the clip? I called him. Bole, sir, I'm not able to see the clip. Bole, put water, then you will see because dust and other things is there, na? Tire. I put 2 bottle water. Everything clean. After that also clip is not visible. I called him, sir, clip is not visible. Bole, sir, which version you are having? मैं बोला it is 2023, 24. अरे sir, I send you the video of 2021 version. That EV Max, the version was different. He sent me, sir, बोले in that clip is that other side. बोला माँ कसम. But मतलब it was मतलब I can't tell you the frustration. Biggest frustration. Okay, I मतलब वो फिर I remove the clip, I charge again. Then I came back in Pune. And later on one fine day, automatically I was on between, on the road, and automatically it's, everything closed, shut down. What happened? Everything. I went to the local mechanic. He says, I don't know anything about EV. And then I called him. Okay, he towed it and he took out. And after 15-20 days, he brought some battery issue was there. And he changed it out. He did it free, but 20 days the car was there. And then he brought it. Next day, I sold the car. Okay, this was a blunder for me. And I am a car lover. If you are not aware, okay, since I started my journey from 2013, almost every year I purchase car. I am a person who invests in depreciable asset, not in appreciable assets. Because my philosophy is very clear. Okay, if I invest in property and other things, one fine day I will die. The property will go to whom? It will go to whom? My son. Okay, my son. Okay, the son will be there. Okay, my brother's son will be there, and automatically one fine day both will fight for the property, and that property will be not used by anybody. They will be fighting, and future generation will be saying, "Oh, our property ancestor." Let avoid this property. So therefore, I never invest in property. I don't. If you come to Mumbai any point of time, okay, you are welcome. Come to Mumbai. Okay, you will see my. I have only 2 flats as such. Okay, because we are in joint family. Okay, parking are 12. Okay, and I purchased, initially I got only 2 parking. I purchased the parking from every member of the society. Okay, I offered and purchased. I am a car lover. I am a crazy car lover. And I don't purchase a car to show and other things. I purchase because I drive. I like driving. And that's my craziness. I like 2-3 things. One, basically teaching. And teaching was never my forte. Huh? I was never interested in teaching from day one. If you ask me my childhood dreams, I was acting. It was acting. I want to enter into acting. Okay, but my father didn't allow me. I did one Marathi movie also. Me Tujasati. At 11th, I was in 11th. Your age almost. And then my father told, he's a CA. My family is a CA. My brother is also a CA. Everybody is CA. But he told, in Marwadi, we don't, I'm a Marwadi, Jain Marwadi, so we don't do like this in movie and other things. If you want to do, leave me. Why I will leave you? Why every property will go to my brother then? I didn't left. Jokes, but then he told to do CA. I entered into CA. My life was a turnaround. It's like this only. By 10th, I scored 55%. 12th, I scored 56%. CA Foundation, I cleared in first attempt. I was the rank holder in CA Foundation. CA Intermediate, which you are into, okay, I took 5 attempts. Okay, in 5th attempt, I cleared CA Intermediate, and CA Final I cleared in first attempt. But my CA Inter and CA Final was immediately during that 2005 only. Because in my time, once I clear my CA Foundation, my articleship used to start. 3 years articleship was there. 1.5 year, after 1.5 year of articleship, I can give intermediate. Okay, and 3 year articleship was there. I gave intermediate 5 times. So almost articleship was also over. Even after articleship was over, I was giving intermediate. And immediately once you clear, I can give the examination. Okay, the results are not in this. I will show you. I will take from laptop and show you. May 2005, I cleared CA intermediate, and November 2005, I cleared CA examination, CA final, CA final first attempt. But it was clear in the immediate attempt. Okay, and 2005 it was not May, but 2005 was the election year, India mein, central elections, Lok Sabha election. So the exam was in June 2005, and the result came in August 2005. August and 25th August 2005, and 25th August I decided that I will be giving a final. And altogether November 2005 I cleared my CA final. December 2005 I cleared CS Inter. Matlab November 2005 I gave CA final. December 2005 I gave CS Inter. And I cleared CS Inter with 21st rank. CA final I cleared, not without rank, but ultimately CA final complete portion, it was very less time was there. But I cleared in 2 months. That was a big challenge for me. And after that, I joined PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers in 2006. March 2006, I joined PwC. And when I was in PwC, I cleared June 2006 May, I cleared CMA Inter, Cost Management Accounting. And December 2006, I cleared CS Final. And after that, I was into CMA Final. But in PwC, one of the team member was working in SPA, system, not SPA, SPA is System Process Assurance, IT audits. And I was in statutory audit. I used to come at the office or client place at morning 8 o'clock. I used to work, when I'm saying we as a team used to work till 12, 12:30, and again back to the home, and again morning wake up and going again in class, and every day, Sunday also. And that Tushar was a friend there. Tushar was a person who was leading SPA team. He used to come at 10, 10:30, and he used to go at 5, 5:30. We are on the same audit. We are doing the same thing. Okay, he's also a chartered accountant. I'm also a chartered accountant. But the timing is completely different. It was dramatically different. I thought salary would be different. Salary would be lower. It was lower, but not of him, mine. Mine salary was 5.5 lakhs per annum, and his salary was 7.8. Means less time, more salary. I was working more time, less salary. I didn't understood. Then one fine day I just friend him and discussed what exactly you do. Then I came to know about the courses about CISA and DISA, Certified Information Systems Auditor and Diploma in Information System Audit. I came to know that he's a CA and CISA, and therefore he's into that team, IT audit. It is not a programmer or something, but it is about governance, compliances, IT compliances, which is again a hybrid version, a functional and technical person, mixmer. Then I thought, okay, after doing CA, CS, CMA Inter, I'm earning 5.5. He did CA, CISA, he is earning 7.8. Ma kasam, leave other courses, enter into the world of CISA. Then I entered into CISA. Then I cleared, first I cleared DISA, and then I gave CISA examination. Once I cleared CISA, then I shifted from PwC to HDC Bank. HDC Bank, I entered into IT department. It was 2008 when I joined HDC Bank, Jan 2008. And 2008 complete year, HDC Bank, 9, 10, HDC Bank. 10 mid I left HDC Bank, something around that. And this was all together, and then I entered into teaching. But in all this year, my dream was actor, to become an actor. Why I choose into teacher? Never ever I thought I will become a teacher. Okay, but over a period I understood teaching was a profession for me like an acting. Right now, exactly this SM batch I've completed 2 days, before the 2 days before Diwali in Pune. Okay, I'm teaching the same thing again. I'll be teaching same thing again. Okay, in Pune and Mumbai. I'll be teaching same thing, SM audit, SM audit, SM audit, SM audit continuously. Complete year. Earlier I used to teach ISCA also, IT also, ES also. Now AI subjects which are there in FR, CA final FR and other things. So content is same. Same thing, proactive, reactive, every time. Imagine if you are learning this, if you are teaching this thing again and again, monotonous comes into picture. Na? DMU also can come, diminishing marginal utility. But I enjoy because I know my crowd is different every time. My audience is different, and this is stage for me where I can act. So ultimately, when I started with teaching, it was a teaching, but for me, it is like an acting. So that was my passion. I was very happy with that. And the second passion of life of childhood was to drive. Okay, so have cars, driving, and I drive a lot. So till date, also everything I take care. And this thing I'm telling you, not from the per se or showing off something like that, but I'm telling you, my dad is a CA, but he's a very ethical CA. Ethical means peakest ethical. Culture is peakest ethical culture. Malab, even right now, example, I came from Mumbai to here, okay, and again I'll be going back. Approximately 30,000 cost will be going to petrol. 30K petrol cost. Okay, as a normal CA, what I will do, I'll shift this 30K, okay, into PNL balance sheet, PNL debit. 30K petrol cost. Okay, he will do what he will do, my dad, because he manage my PNL balance sheet. He will ensure this 60% traveling cost will be PNL debit and 40% will be drawings. Why did you go with a car? You are having an option of flight and other things which will be lower in cost because of your personal pleasure. So here 40% you spend on your personal, 60% you spend on work. That is how my dad is in my balance sheet PNL. This is how it is done from so many years of my life. So imagine if my dad is doing this with his son, so definitely the client, I hope you are understanding. Never, he can't retain any client. Who is the client who is a big shot? I hope you are understanding. He is very clear. Bhai, these are the things I will do like this only. So he was an ethical person. Okay, till 2012, 2013, everything, whatever dad did, okay, and his culture passed on. Me, my brother into practice. But we all manage like this, and the things goes on. Things happen. Things happen with you. It will happen with your life over a period. Right now, you're very, what I say is, your kids, बहुत छोटे है, very small. Okay, so right now you will be having many dreams. Unless and until you dream, it's very difficult to achieve. So always, some dream should be there, because at the end of the day, it's a human. One fine day, he says, "Come," and you need to go. And this has happened with me. I'm not a drinker, okay, nor a smoker, nothing. I never, nor I eat a non-veg, because I'm from a my ethical father, and my mother and my mother's father, he's into monk, Jain monk, Mara Sahib, we say. So my Nana ji was into that. So my home culture is something different only. So it's very difficult. I never enter into this thing. Like in one fine day, when I was in teaching and everything, I got married 2010, 2011. I got Ritika, my daughter. And 2012, okay, so I was ill automatically with multiple elements. And to be very precise, I was in coma for 17 days. Okay, and 17 days coma. Okay, I came back. I don't, that's a purely very many multiple history. But just to tell you, till date, I'm on 17 medicines. Till date. Every day, morning, evening, and night, medicines are going on. Dialysis are there. Okay, kidney issues there. And there is multiple other alignment issues. Never ever I thought, okay, I'll be facing, because I was also a gym freak person. Gym freak, I hope you are aware. Okay, the fitness wala person. What happened? But what overall ultimatum is, the life is like this only. Life is never fair with anyone. What is a fair? You need to look out the perception. So one fine day, you enter into examination, you enter into multiple elements. Automatically, your goals and objectives come into picture. Focus on these goals and objectives. Life is best. Life will give you every opportunity. The only thing is your dedication towards that opportunity. I traveled a lot during my initial days. When I came back from coma, I was like this only, a spending person. I never keep a saving. 2012, I came back from coma. Okay, I thought just, what if I would have left? What if? And brain dead was there. kidney completely damaged, swelling was there, kidney, and because of that, brain swelling was there. So God's grace, because of multiple dialysis, the swelling came down, and I was awake. What if I thought my daughter and my family, matlab, what they will think, yaar, matlab, my daughter once she grow big, she would tell, yaar, matlab, no money, what my dad did. And then I started traveling a lot, matlab, with classes and other things, everything. Till date, matlab, till 2019, till my next punter come into picture, my son, Aditya. Okay, the bonus recharge for me. Okay, but I used to travel a lot only to earn, because that when I was in coma and other things, we were in ICCU. Mediclaim is not there. We always put a Mediclaim. I hope everybody is aware about Mediclaim. But Mediclaim was not there for dialysis and other things. If you are into dialysis, Mediclaim is cancelled. There is a terms and conditions, automatically terms and conditions. We never read it. Everything was from personal front. Okay, over a life, okay, so I worked hard for ISKA. ISKA and IT has to travel a lot. Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Indore, Nasik, and multiple cities. Jodhpur, Jaipur, Vijayawada, Vishakhapatnam, Hyderabad. These were the places. And 2019, when ISKA was removed and I was settled, matlab, money and other things have been stabled and everything has been done. I came back, settled. Okay, so we shifted to Mumbai, Pune, now living a life. And automatically one fine day, Ram sir calls and discuss. So Udupi is basically another home for me, because I liked very good at Udupi was a culture. When I interact with the people of Trisha, okay, the culture was very different. If you come to Mumbai or Pune, the culture is very different. And I almost now I deal only with virtual. I face to face I teach only in Mumbai and Pune. Okay, Udupi was last year stop as such, only because of with discussion with Ram sir. So what I liked was a culture. What interaction has been done. I taught with multiple classes. But the culture which I got from Ram sir understanding, it was tremendous. And that made me again coming back. Otherwise, I'm telling you to live, right now the positioning is that at my home, my son does not sleep without me. And because last 5 years, okay, I'm spending time everything with it. I told you personal life and professional life. It can never be balanced. So earlier I did hard work for completely for professional life. Me and my wife, okay, the establishment benchmark. This much is the amount, this much is a properties, this much is a gold. Okay, I am not an investor, aisa nahi hai. I am not invested in fixed asset. But my investment is very good. I like yellow metal very well. My favorite is yellow metal. Okay, so so remember, I expense out in my lifestyle, I expense out in depreciable asset. But this doesn't mean I don't do saving. Remember, once you start earning, don't only expense out. Expense and saving, both combined. So, I like that particular culture. So, at this point also, okay, we thought we will not travel. I will not travel. Now, personal, professional life is gone. Done. We have achieved. Okay, now personal life. And automatically over a period, personal life was settled. Okay, now, whenever I travel to Mumbai or Pune, I take my kid along with me. And he's in now first. My daughter is in ninth. So, her life is going on. How your life is there? Because this is what I've seen the change in kids. Till you are at 10 or 12, till your age of 10 or 12, 8, 9, 10, something like that. Recall, your hero and heroine were your mom and dad only. Automatically you grow, your friendship begins, your different people interaction begins. So father and mother is there, but it is becoming more formal rather than all personal. So right now I understood, okay, my kid will be having that time of personal attachment. So let's spend on this. But at the same time, I liked the thing in ODP was the culture. So this came from, we were discussing on limitation of SM, but this came from multiple cars. Means, I lived my life very carefully, with freakingly. Cars and other things, multiple. I love cars and other things. But coming back on it, okay, so I'm coming back on the topic. But before that, just remember two things. If you dream, you can achieve that for sure. I bet on this. And second, okay, it is not only to dream. Okay, you dream, your action should lead towards the dream. Ultimate objective. Okay, right now if you're dreaming, right now you can't dream of cars and other things immediately. Your vision may have multiple things, success and other things, but your dream right now will be inter May 26. If your dream is inter May 26, your action should relate towards that dream. Unless until your actions are not relating to a dream, dream can never be achieved. Dream need to be seen and actions need to achieve the dreams. Hard work is required. Compromises are required. Okay, tremendous efforts are required. If you are, what I told you today morning also, you sleep well at night, so your hard work will be optimized. If you are alert in class, I ensure by next Saturday, next Friday, we'll discuss. Okay, how much content you are able to recall without books and without anything. But the condition is very simple. You need to interact in the class. Unless until you don't interact in the class, this thing will never work. So, what is your goal? What is your objective right now? For that objective, your mission should be in the similar format. But if your mission is not in the similar format, you will not be achieving that particular objective, buddy. And sir, failure is okay, na sir. I will give in September if I failed. You also failed 5 times. See, I'm telling from my experience. In my time, okay, my exam was 6 months ahead because it was May and November. Now your time it's 3 months ahead. My time, the internet was not there. The courses, I was not aware about multiple courses. My time, my parent was not very adjusting with other courses also. My dad told CA means CA. If I told my dad, hey, I want to do a MBA, nobody. First CA, then go to MBA. Right now in today's world, many things have been relaxed. Parents are flexible. Parents saying sometime, okay, look out, very simple logic. Right now you're studying hard. You are studying for 8-10 hours. And if you're studying at home, your mom, oh my God, my kid is sitting in the class alone, studying so much, so hard work. This is what interpretation comes. My dad never told, oh, my hard work. Okay, 16 hours, it's less, sit for 18 hours. I'm telling you, मतलब कभी कभी तो मतलब it seems like this. My generation were the worst generation. I got hit from my dad also. I'm getting hit from my kid also. My dad told study, study, study. My kid is saying, I will not study, I will not study. I will do this much only. Example, I'm telling Ritika, I am not telling the by CA kar. Again, I told you can select it out. No. Ritika, ninth, clear idea. I will go in psychology, arts. Like, I'm not telling any profession is upscale or downscale, but I'm telling her legacy, something. Family is there, complete hierarchy is there. No. Okay, every day we discuss. Okay, it's only one. I will do psychology. I did my profession because of my dad, but my daughter is not selecting profession because I am saying. Because when I was studying, I thought, Ma kasam, I will let my kid also do this. Wastage. Okay, if I tell her to study, even in ninth also, I tell her to study here. Papa, what do you know? What do you know, Ma kasam, I am into study. What do you know? But happens with the generation and new generation and other things. So, but one thing I always tell Ritika, okay, you do the hard work so that you don't regret later on. Okay, regret, I hope you are understanding regret. Any example? Suppose 2 days of your February, March, April have wasted. Or example, 2 days of your class has been wastage or waste because you were sleeping, you were doing anything. And don't, I'm not discussing about Amit Tated or I'm discussing about this one. For you, Amit Tated is external environment. I am ready. Whatever you want, you tell me. I am ready. Even after the lecture, I am free. If you want anything extra, you tell me. I will explain you other than that, what we have discussed in class. After lecture, I am not having anything. I'm in ODP only. Nor I am having personal life here. I am not going, oh, I will go home. I will see my kid. No, not at all. Okay, even I want to see my kid. It is a virtual era only. I'll be going in hotel. I'll be watching some movie and sleeping it out. So even if you want something, yesterday while having a food, I met earlier batch student. I told them some doubts were there with other theory subject, audit and other things. I told you come after 3 o'clock Monday, I am there. So it's up to you. Okay, me for you is an external environment. Your books, your strength, it's your internal environment. If external environment is supportive, fair enough. It's a positive for you. It's an opportunity. Suppose somebody else, okay, suppose one of my friend, he's not so. He says, I taught in class, that's it, fair enough. Whatever doubt is there, you ask me, and later on you study. One of the friend is saying, though, it's okay because this is an external environment for you. Which environment I can control? Which environment we can control? Internal. We cannot control which environment? So it's fair enough. If there can be opportunity also, there can be a threat also. Manage, na. If there is a threat, manage with your strength. Do something. But after giving an examination, okay, after giving an examination, if results comes, result is successful, badhiya. You will enjoy. You will have a best time. 2-3 days, you will be on 7th cloud. You will enjoy. Yeah, chartered. That's a different element. But if it is unsuccessful, na, that time it should not happen. That 2 days wasted because I failed only. See, if you want to be unsuccessful or fail by length, long range. Failing by 149 is blunder. Failing on 39 is worst. Because of the 39 and 149, I hope what I'm telling is everybody is aware. 39 and 149 is because of that 1 or 2 days. Because 1-2 days you have studied hard, that 39 would have converted into 40, or 149 would have converted into 150. So technically, this should not happen with us. Okay, and when I failed, okay, sitting for the same book, imagine the syllabus will not change at least for the next 1 year now, because for you the syllabus has already been changed. For you already the new syllabus is there, and there is no change in syllabus as such for SM and audit as such. What I've seen that. So when you read this book, you didn't clear September month, you will be studying the same book. Everything same. Okay. Diminishing marginal utility will be at the peak. While reading the benefit of SM, oh my God, 7 point, I studied the same. This was the same answer which I have written in examination. Automatically, human behavior, yaar. I did everything in the first attempt, May 25. First is first. So that's the point. First attempt is first attempt. And for that purpose, your mission, okay, should be very thorough. Your action should be very thorough. So nevertheless, somewhat I've gone here and there. But coming back on the point, I hope you understood what content was I was telling. But coming back on the point, tell me, okay, the EV ka point. I sold the EV. I sold the Tata Nexon next day. And after that also I purchased 2 cars. Because I sold in last to last 24. And 24 I purchased Hyrider. And 25 I purchased one more Scorpio. So, technically, when I sold this, tell me, okay, I made a loss, a blunder loss. But I never purchased. I told clearly with myself, I will never purchase EV in my life unless until EV become compulsory. I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. I will never ever, I will never go. Now tell me, is this objective of EV companies? Was this objective of Tata? Acha, in India, who was the first one to launch EV? It's Tata. If you are not aware, Tata is the first one to launch. But who is having a good market share in EV? Any idea? Acha, which are the companies in EV? Cars mein. I will be having more data of cars because I do analysis of cars. Tata is there. Mahindra is there. Mahindra is doing good. And one more, MG. MG is one having a major market share with EV. But compared to petrol and diesel, it is yet very less. Example, if suppose on Diwali, I don't know about Karnataka, but in Maharashtra, in one set, Pune, there were 15,000 registrations on one day of Dasara. Dasara, we say Dasara only. Dasara in Maharashtra, it is an auspicious day. On that day, everybody, almost those who want to purchase bikes or cars, they purchase on that day. 15,000 registration were done on that one day. And out of 15,000, okay, cars I'm telling, 15,000 cars, okay, it was 2,000 cars were of EV. 13,000 were of petrol, hybrid or diesel, whatever it may be. So tell me, is EV market an opportunity? Is EV market an opportunity yet? Or is this market has been already stabilized? Looking at opportunity. But this opportunity is only in your hand or infrastructure also? Infrastructure. Acha, driverless car. Are you aware about driverless cars? Acha, are driverless cars in world? I'm not saying in India. In world, are they or not? You go in US, you have seen many videos on this. Okay, tell me why they are not launching in India. Road is okay. Road. Problem is not about road. Problem is about civic sense. Okay, people walk on the road and scooters drive on the footpath. I hope you are understanding what I say. If I want to take a right, I'll be traveling from left, and when I want to take a right, I will take immediate right. Okay, the problem. This is the basic problem, and autonomous cars have started yet. Mahindra has launched that EV wala. It's driverless cars. Okay, it started autonomous in Mahindra, that 6E XE something like that EV. Okay, so you come down, it will automatically park. That feature is already launched in India, but how we are using, how we are adapting, automatically will come. But the problem with India, why driverless car will not come? Don't tell me road. Don't tell me road. Don't tell me civic sense. It was only for joke. Tell me a good answer. From strategy point of view, from country point of view, from business point of view, why our Indian government will never agree so easily with autonomous car? Why Indian government is not agreeing with, if you're aware about, they also send delivery through drone in US. You're aware? Amazon, they deliver in US through drones. They don't have a delivery people and other things. Okay. Huh? Employment. Why employment is required in India? Population. We are very highly densely. We are top one, buddy. Okay, at least we are something in top one, huh? In world. We are. I hope you are aware, na? We are number one in country in world. Okay, in earlier it was China. We surpassed China. Ma kasam. Hey, what about technology? German, Japan, you know technology. China, you know manufacturing. We know actual manufacturing in India. India point है. So why central government or state government will never ever agree to this? I hope you are understanding. So if suppose you are a company who is a driverless car and you are in Australia, you come to India to start a business of driverless cars. Will you be successful easily here? What is the problem? Environment. But do you think it may happen lifelong? Okay, over a period we may adapt. Over a period we may adapt. So do you think technology will replace humans? Do you think technology will replace human? Technology never replace human. Okay, technology is replacing the work which is performed by human. Human need to understand the technology. Okay, and once he understand, the things will go away. The things, the person who is ready to adapt. Okay, the things will, the survival of the fittest. Same example. When first time cars were launched in world, India, and other things. In India, which was a mode of transport before cars? Before cars, how would we travel here and there? Don't tell me walking. Okay, mode of transport I'm saying. Bullock carts. Okay, with bullock carts and horse, what do we say, horse cart also. Everybody was debating because you are bringing motor cars in India. Okay, there will be loss of employment to the people who is taking care of bull. Okay, horse. Okay, you are aware that what it says in feet they need to put some horse wala. The people were having employment, cleaning the horse, cleaning the bullock. Okay, they were having employment. The cart manufacturing, the cart ka point. Everybody was debating. There is a loss of employment. There will be loss of employment because you bring motor car. The person who is putting that iron rod in the leg, okay, he will be unemployed. But don't you think by bringing a car, many employment opportunities arises? Now the only car manufacturing is not required. Car manufacturing, service centers, garage, everything started. So what happened? Does car replace human? Car change the way how you are doing the job earlier. The same way will happen with AI in future. Once you become a CA, Okay, unless until if you are doing the traditional work, you will be replaced. Don't do the traditional work. Okay, focus on consulting and other things. So technically, environment will be same every time, or it will be turbulent, and it will be simple or complex. Complex. Okay, then how many things, how many keywords are there in environment? 4 keywords. Okay, remember this 4 keywords. Supplier, customer, government, and other external factors. What can be other external factors? Law, regulations, economic environment. Nowadays, are we concerned more with economic environment, external environment, or social environment? Acha, are you aware about Vantara? Not heard. Not heard, buddy. You need to be alert. Please stay with an updated news and other things. Vantara is basically an project which is taken care by Ambani's. Okay, they have set up much acres jungle in Gujarat. They have purchased the land at a subsidized rates. They set up a jungle in Gujarat, a complete jungle, and from everywhere where the problem animals are there, who have a problems, they bring and set up there. Okay, they have complete jungle. They have animals, all animals, tiger, lion, everything. They have doctors. They have created multiple employment opportunities. Doctors are there. The people are there. It is not like a circus or cage. It is not like a zoo. It's a jungle. They freely roam, freely. It's like a jungle. It's like a jungle. But jungle is owned not by government. It is owned by whom? Okay, Ambani. It's a strategy, good strategy. I'm telling you, good strategy. How it is a good strategy? We don't know exactly right now, but if environment goes like this, and environment is still be polluted in the next century or next 10 years down the line, our government will bring the policy. Okay, and the policy will be, if you are burning carbon, you are burning carbon in our environment, you need to do something so that you can develop or manufacture that oxygen which can avoid that carbon. इसको एकदम if मतलब I'm more in Hindi, मतलब English में, in simple words, if I am burning a carbon in air, because of which air is getting polluted, UK is having a law. Okay, UK, United Kingdom, in 2030, this pollution should be net zero. What is the meaning of net zero? If you are polluting environment, you need to do something by which how much pollution you have done should be zero. Okay, either you put trees, you do anything, how much calculation, how much pollution you have done, make it zero. Okay, now this thing, to example, I'll be planting trees or something like that. I'm just giving a raw example. And then I'll be giving zero. This is 230 vision of UK. India has already started in 2021 with SEBI. All listed company are complying with BRSR. Business responsibility, social responsibility. Business responsibility, do the business responsibly. Do the social responsibility should be there. There is a business responsibility, social responsibility. In India, 2021, this concept has been already launched. But it's not made compulsory to other companies. I'm telling you what will happen. In future, it will happen like this, buddy. In future, it will like this happen. Because of Vantara, already animals, employment, and greens are taken care of. This is called carbon credits. Suppose, Pepsi is a company which is taking, preparing and manufacturing a Pepsi using a water to manufacture their product. And our country brings a law that you need to make the net zero concept. If you have used the water, so much water, you should, give the credits. And our country will bring the law, because our problem is population. Our problem is area. So our country will bring the logic like this, law will be like this. If you are not able to plant trees or water, okay, if somebody else doing this, purchase from them. Purchase the carbon credits from them to dispose that one. I hope you are getting the point. And that time, Vantara will be having a maximum carbon credits which we can sell to the other people who are doing business. I hope you are getting the point. This is a vision. This is a vision which has been set. Imagine the person is thinking of 2040, 2050. We are thinking of 2026. Okay, if this is all together, and this will 100% come. UK has brought it. US is in the process of bringing it. Why India will be behind it? Because when they sit in UN, I hope UN, United Nations, everything they are discussing about this environment. So imagine if company is not able to plant trees, what they will do? They will go to Vantara and say, by this much carbon credit. Vantara say, ha, by this much water I have already saved or stored because of rain harvesting. Okay, on your behalf, I am harvesting this much. Give me money. And who is doing the work? And will he sell at a cost? Is he charity? This is how the profit is earning. This is called a business. And I'm telling you, we have discussed this very carefully. Okay, is Reliance doing something wrong? No, it's a business. He's doing good for whom? He's doing good for society or investors? Investors. And fair enough, somebody have a policy. Tata is a soul. It started from 1800s, thinking from India. Reliance has started few years back, almost in 90s. So it will take a time to establish and become such country where they can spend out for the society. So, but this is all overall. So when I'm saying environment is complex, I hope you are understanding. So tomorrow, suppose you are coming into business, imagine how many example I've given this, and between I have discussed some my personal friend also, but nevertheless, coming back on the example. Environment complex and turbulence. One example which is given in your book is of only EV. Okay, all other example I gave you, and this example I require in next chapter, sir. Not tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 3-4 days approximately. This example I'll be using because in that I need to do the analysis. Which analysis? Internal, external, and this will be analysis very important. So suppose you are coming to India. Acha, India I'll discuss later on. Right now, suppose he want to start a business in UK. Can he put a manufacturing plant easily or he need to take care of carbon credits? Why? Law and regulations. That's it. This is what important. Now tell me, when is your net zero target there? UK has thought for net zero. Net zero means net carbon credit zero. When they need to achieve this target? 20? Okay, so if I am setting up business right now in UK, I think in 5 years I will earn and I will move out. Is it okay? Is it okay to go in UK? Answer is no, because 2030 is their vision. It may happen by 27 they may launch this one. It may happen, possibility. Okay, in India also you can see some modulation with this petrol. In petrol, what is mixed? Acha, you are not aware. Ethanol. I hope you are aware. Ethanol is a very lowest cost concept and it is least pollution. You go with any petrol pump, how much ethanol percentage is there? Okay, 20%. Our Indian government, okay, in 2015, 2016, they have brought that ethanol will be mixed, which is one of the thing lowest cost. Okay, it will be mixed with petrol and it is also reducing the pollution to the environment. The target in 2015 was to blend 3% of ethanol with petrol. In 2015, they tried, okay, they implemented in 2018. 2018, 2019, 3% was achieved. And after 3%, they made it 10% in 2024. 2023-24 financial year. It was 10%. And in 24, our transport minister, okay, we entered into an arrangement. By 2028, we will have ethanol mixture of how much percentage? And we are in which year? They put this compulsion to everyone. And this is creating a problem in old cars. They're creating a problem. This is creating a problem in old cars. I'm telling you, the new cars which are manufactured is with this particular concept of petrol. Even my Wrangler is not having this concept. My Wrangler is of 10% ethanol. Therefore, what is an effect of this? The effect is average is completely gone. Average. So, but what was the vision? Till how much time they were about to launch this one? 2028. By 25, they implemented. And now it is not an option. Malab, there is no option. There is no pump. Okay, 10% ethanol, 20% ethanol. There is no concept of this. There is a compulsory. Now tell me, if you are into manufacturing of car and you are good manufacturer of 10% ethanol, will you be successful right now? You are thinking that after 4 years it is, nah, sir. After 4 years we'll see, sir. Let manufacture volume. Let's sell it lowest cost. But don't you think law regulation will make a big disturbance here? So what is the major problem? Which environment is a blunder for us? Internal or external? External. Remember this. And therefore your chapter 2 is blunder. Chapter 2 is external environment. Okay, so anybody can help me out with this only first point. External environment includes how many points? If I say I want to study external environment, what I will study? Opportunity and threats, I understood, but opportunity and threats in what? What I will study? Or mark kasam, half an hour I spent on only one point. I am explaining one point from last half an hour and which I have discussed in today morning also. Supplier, customer, government, other example, law and regulation. One more example we have discussed. Law and regulation, government is already done. Environment, environmental. Okay. Please listen like this. Pestle, color nahi, pestle. Had you heard about the word pestle? Pestle. What is pestle? Political, economical, socio-cultural, technological, legal, environmental. Basically an external environment. So whenever I discuss with you, this is not a complete answer. Huh? This is only one part of answer. There will be multiple answers coming across you. Okay, and very good conceptual discussion in your examination. So remember pestle. So this is your first point. Second, strategic management is time consuming or fast? Why? Today morning, Mr. K. I hope you remember. So what was that? Okay, daily affairs are there of the company, members, employee, they need to spend time. Close it out. Organizations spend a lot of time in preparing, communicating strategies that may impede daily operation. Impede matlab? Impede or what is the meaning of this? Impede daily operation and negatively impact routine business. Impede matlab affect. And I explained this concept today morning, how it affects daily operation. Planning and strategizing are important, but putting them into action is where actual success lies. So help me out. Are you planning for May 26? Yes or no? So planning is important or not? Yes. But most important is last half an hour. Action. What is difficult? Planning is difficult or action is difficult? Action. Okay, so yes, I will do. Tomorrow morning, I will wake up at 5 o'clock. Ma kasam. 5 o'clock alarm raise. Today, it's tomorrow, I told, not today. Let's see on tomorrow. Okay, so how many of you set the alarm on snooze mode? Snooze mode? What is the snooze mode? 5 minutes after that again. So how many of you set alarm on snooze mode? Nobody. Oh my, huh? Acha, no for hostel. Acha, hostel mein no phone. Oh, okay, limited. So alarm, what alarm you raise? College alarm. Huh? Alarm clock. अच्छा, तो अलार्म क्लॉक के बाद अच्छा, तो व्हाट यू डू? अलार्म क्लॉक रिंग्स, यू वेक अप इमीडिएटली. हाउ मेनी alarm clock rings and wake up? Seriously, mark kasam, mark kasam, mark kasam. How many once alarm clock rings and you wake up and you start? One, huh? No, sir. Hardly anybody. Everybody will be doing. Okay, and see, look out. You put alarm clock at 5 o'clock. After that, when you rings at 5 o'clock, you put at 5:10. 5:10, you put at 5:20. 5:20, you put at 5:30. And after that 5:30, you wake up. Okay, what is the problem? Did you plan well or not? But problem is actions, implementations. Planning and strategizing are important, but putting in action is where actual success lies. That's only I told you. Actions are required. Actions are required. Similar to us, similar to you, not me. Students, planning and strategizing what to study, from where, and at what time of the day to study consumes so much of our actual study time that by the time we have to study, we are almost exhausted. I hope you understood this line. You plan everything, but by the time you sit for study, not today, tomorrow. So studying management is time consuming process or fast? Time consuming. I hope this point is clear. Read next one. Next one is easy. Strategic management is costly process. SM adds a lots of expense to organization. Why expense? Expert strategic planners need to be engaged. Efforts are made of analysis of internal and external device strategy and properly implement. These can be really costly for organization with limited resource, particularly when small and medium organization create strategies to compete. Strategic management requires experts, and these experts are costly resources. I hope this point is very clear. Yes or nobody? Masala is clear. So I hope now while reading, if any point is there, do let me know. But if not, okay, there is no worry. Just while reading, acha, while revising, how will I revise? While revising, how will I revise? Pointers. But while reading, while studying, okay, the pointer is clear. You can study very well. So I hope you understood now the clear approach. Yani your book will be completely done, all 5 chapters. Okay, question bank will do. Okay, revision will do. Chart will do. It's now up to you to score a good marks, buddy. Everything I will take care of. This how I have studied the approach. But ultimately, okay, while writing, while making care, you need to revise and content and remember everything. And the last part, in a competitive scenario where all organizations are trying to move strategically, everybody is following SM. Okay, only one company is not following SM. Everybody is following SM. It is difficult to clearly estimate the competitive response to the firm's strategies. Why it is difficult? Because everybody's decision is taken in behind the closed doors. So it is quite difficult to guard the strategic planning of competitors because most of the decisions are taken within closed doors by the top management because top management does not want the other to listen. For example, they've given an example. Apple changed the market dynamics of the speaker industry by choosing to remove 3.5 mm audio jack from iPhones. I hope you are aware. Nowadays, anyway, the jack is almost less. Now it is almost Bluetooth based. So now tell me, now to be relevant in the market, all major speaker brands had to put concentrated efforts to develop their own true wireless speakers and compete with new entrants. What Apple did? Apple was earlier in Apple phone. We always have, you know that headphones jack was there. It was jack. Now Apple removed that jack, and Apple says, okay, we are connecting wireless. Now tell me, Bose company. Okay, Indian company. One more. Boat. Okay, they are also into business of speakers. They are also business on headphones. Now, if Apple has changed, they require to change or not, and that is where they need to understand. Okay, Apple did not launch initially that we are changing. When Apple was there, Are Markasam, there is no jack only. And Boat, Boss, they need to thought, Are bhai, new R&D, how the speakers can be connected with Apple. And then the concept came of Bluetooth. And then Bluetooth started with altogether a market as such. So, Bharat Mata ki, I hope these 4 points are clear, buddy. So my question is there very clearly. Limitations are there or not? Then why you are using SM? If limitations are there, then why are you using SM? Limitations can be overcome. Yes. Okay, no. Then why are you using SM? Because benefits are more than limitations. That's the last concept they've discussed. Read and close it out. Okay, the last point. One homework I will be telling you today evening. Okay, so for this particular question, it's very good concept, and in a full scape you write it out. Okay, so today evening I will tell you question number. You just go through it. I hope everybody clear. Okay, so read why do business offer SM with even with limitations. So take a break after reading, and we'll meet at 2:25. Clear na? 45 minutes break na? Avade 45 na? Uh, take a break and see you after having a food and other things.